welcome to our yet another episode of our You Can Be the Change podcast. And we had spoken to Drashi earlier about her career aspiration and how she moved, actually took her passion into her full-time role and kind of an opportunity. And we thought, why don't we deep dive into what really this academy is all about? And if the listeners can benefit out of it, and maybe, there are people who can benefit teaching or studying from this academy. How can they benefit from it? So thank you so much, Dashish, so for agreeing for yet another discussion with us. So thank you so much for being on our channel. And for the people who are listening to you for the first time,
Mhm.
we would want to know what is academy, and how this what is academy came into being.
Okay, firstly, thank you so much for giving me this another opportunity to be on your episode. It's really very inspiring. The name itself is very inspiring. You can be the change. It is creating very good awareness and having a motto of that you are a self-inspired person. Everyone is inspiring from you. You just have to look within. It's a
Right?
very great thing. I really love the thing. So yes, thank you so much for having me on board. I'm really glad to be on this podcast.
Thank you so
And
much.
as you have asked about swatters, so going back in this journey, I believe it all started during the COVID time only. I was working in one of the firm in Bangalore. So during that time, we were having online sessions and online meetings. So generally, we can say work from home culture only.
Right.
During that time, I was, as I have said earlier, also that during the weekends when I used to work before COVID time, whenever I used to get the time on weekend, I used to go to the nearby area to the underprivileged kids and used to provide them education in the better way that I can. So this love towards education was always thriving towards that. And gradually it started during the COVID time when everything was turning online, when everything was on the laptop only. The
Mhm.
entire world was on laptop, we can say that.
Right.
During that time, even I was working, I got a call from one of my neighbor that Drashi, you are already into IT and you are already doing so many things. So you have already catered my child earlier during the weekends, basically. So it will be better if you can do that again because now we are having the online world only completely. So I said, chalo, theek hai, let me give a try. And along with my job, I started catering him. His name is Rishi. So I can say that he was my first student as a Sporters Academy. तब तो कुछ नाम भी नहीं सोचा हुआ था, to be very honest. तो तब we started कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, I'll just cater him. And I started this journey. जॉब भी चल रही थी, ऋषि के क्लास भी चल रहे थे, एवरीथिंग वाज गोइंग पैरेलली. Slowly, gradually, I realized, and something happened in the corporate world also in such a manner कि I realized कि नहीं, this is something where I have to start.
Right. Uh-huh.
So when I started this, when I decided कि नहीं इससे मुझे full fledged चालू करना ही है, during that time I took a call कि नहीं, I have to start with this. I want to start an academy. I would like to take it up. Still इतना कोई clarity नहीं था दिमाग में कि
Right.
क्या करूँगी कैसे करूँगी. And within I guess 1 or 2 days I put up the paper. But paper रखने के बाद भी notice period होता है. So it took time. And during that time I again went to Bangalore. I was along with that I was doing the third thing also कि ISRO भी कर लेते. I was not clear. I was not clear. I was not having the proper direction कि हाँ मुझे यही करना है. I was taken aback for the education system entirely. The reason is कि I being an engineer, I was having this thing. I was extremely skeptic
Right.
कि अगर मैं टीचर का रोल ऑप्ट करूंगी या फिर if I'll be starting an academy, then
Mhm.
there will be people, then there will be the entire society who will
Right.
be instead of cheering me might say, Arey, you being an engineer, you are just picking up for this role.
Right.
It's a
Right.
very common role. So ye sari cheezein were there, which was always taking me aback. But at the same time, my passion, my love towards teaching was always, pushing me. Nahi, nahi, Rashi, karna hai, karna hai, karna hai. And I was like, okay, chalo, kuch karte hai. And during that time in Bangalore, when ISRO preparation and everything was going on, तो दैट टाइम आई फाइनली डिसाइडेड कि अब कुछ करना तो है ही हमें. एंड मीनवाइल अनदर थिंग वाज गोइंग ऑन कि घर से थोड़ी बातचीत चल रही थी, एज आई हैव डिस्कस्ड अर्लियर, कि शादी कर लो बेटा. एंड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम आई गॉट अ पुश फ्रॉम माय डैड in a very different manner, but that is something which was needed. So as a greater thankfulness to him, or I can say forever gratitude, I am having a forever gratitude towards him for pushing me. That's why Swatters Academy was started on his birthday, that is 4th July 2021.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yes. 3rd July, we had something heated argument type of thing, but that was a push. That is something for my betterment. I needed it. And I believe it's the best thing which has happened in my life.
Mhm.
And that's why on 4th of July, on my dad's birthday, Swatters Academy took a stand, and we are here right now. 4th July, I called up my friend, and then all this conversation gets started. On 7th July, we were able to have someone in the Swatters Academy कि जैसे मैं फर्स्ट एम्प्लॉय या फर्स्ट पार्टनर कह सकती हूँ. दैट वाज पूर्वा. तब तक I got one international student also. So I started with one of the international student, and another one was Rishi. I
Mhm.
started with these two students, and then later on students count बढ़ता गया. अब जैसे जैसे students count बढ़ता गया, थोड़ा 2-3 होता गया, I got to know about one thing also, कि हमेशा हम कंसिडर करते हैं कि एजुकेशन अगर किसी को मिल रहा है तो इट विल बी ब्रेकिंग द इनइक्वालिटीज,
Mhm.
राइट?
Mhm.
बट आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट वन मोर थिंग by staying in that Bangalore and the area location and many things, कि काफी बार ये होता है कि एजुकेशन इज समथिंग कि जैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि ये रिच लोगों की हॉबी हो गई थी.
Right.
काफी जगह पे इट्स लाइक दैट.
Right.
Why? Because there are many people still in many places of India and across the world who cannot afford good education, but
Mhm.
they want to study. So I was having this thing कि नहीं मुझे ना free में start करना है. But when I have to start it full fledged, I cannot do it free also. I have to think about it, because if अगर मैं free करना चाहूंगी तो if I want to cover the bigger market or many students कि जिनको मुझे better education provide करना था, they might not be in the ground. They might be considering कि यार free का है तो it will be not in a good way. So I thought कि चलो ठीक है, कुछ middle ground हम slowly gradually निकालेंगे.
Mhm.
कुछ कुछ चीजें ऐसी हमने स्टार्ट की, मतलब मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि वी कैन हैव फ्यू ऑफ द यूट्यूब चैनल्स के जहाँ पे फ्री एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा था,
Mhm.
और साथ ही में यहाँ पे एजुकेशन दिया जा रहा था. दैट वाज इन अ गुड वे. इट वाज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन द सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल दैट वी आर हैविंग अक्रॉस इंडिया,
Mhm.
ईदर मंथली और क्वार्टरली. इन द सेम मैनर वी वर स्टार्टिंग academics के साथ साथ में Swatters Academy is already dealing into music, yoga and dance also.
Nice.
Yes, because when I was working during that time, when I used to, मतलब हमारी जब चिट चैट होती रहती है हमारे मतलब को वर्कर्स एंड एवरीवन के साथ में, तो कुछ आई गॉट टू नो थिंग्स कि पेरेंट्स यूज टू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि अरे मुझे ना डांस क्लास का भी फीस पे करना है, मुझे ना वहाँ पे योगा का भी फीस करना है. सो मल्टीपल थिंग्स वर देयर, मल्टीपल थिंग्स का उन्हें अलग अलग जगह पे फीस पे करना वॉज अ टीडियस टास्क.
Right.
ऑलरेडी हमारे टू डू लिस्ट में इतनी सारी चीजें होती है, एंड व्हेन वी हैव टू मैनेज ऑल दिस एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स, देन इट बिकम्स वेरी हेक्टिक.
Mhm.
फ्रॉम दैट आई गॉट एन आइडिया दैट लेट्स मेक Swatters अ नॉलेज हब. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी अंडर वन रूफ.
Mhm.
म्यूजिक का अलग डिपार्टमेंट है, डांस का अलग डिपार्टमेंट है, योगा का अलग है, एकेडमिक्स का है.
Mhm.
तो दिस इज हाउ वी आर currently doing into each and every sector.
Mhm.
When I started this, it was difficult. The very major challenge for me was finding good faculties.
Right. Right. Right.
Faculties find karna, it's a major task.
Right.
But as I have mentioned earlier, Purva belongs from a teaching domain only.
Uh-huh.
So she has been a major backbone to me, to the
Mhm.
Swatters Academy. She was able to be in the contact of a many good teachers. So she told me कि Drashi ये person है who can do this, who can do that. And her husband also is a piano teacher.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So we started all with piano, starting from piano. In music, currently we are doing guitar, harmonium, tabla, flute. So धीरे धीरे करते networks बढ़ते गए.
Right.
But finding the first right person was has मतलब कह सकते was always difficult.
Right, right,
The
right.
journey has been challenging, quite challenging.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I was about to come to the challenges as well. So talking about first and foremost, what does SWOTers mean? Like, for the information of the people, like what really does SWOTers, like why this name SWOTers?
Thank you so much for asking this. So I always wanted to have a name which starts from the letter S. So I was just surfing around कि चलो कुछ करते हैं, and as my surname is Shah, so I thought कि चलो Shah's Academy ऐसा करते थे, but this is quite normal and I don't wanted to have that. But I was searching for something, and I came across. I was just looking around the words कि चलो गूगल पे ही सर्च करते हैं. तो आई सर्च फॉर वन ऑफ द वर्ड की स्मार्ट हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स को क्या कहा जाता है, एंड इट पॉप्ड अप एज स्वॉटर्स.
Okay.
And I guess it was my first or second search only, and I fell for it कि हाँ चलो this is my name and I would like to go ahead with this.
Oh, nice.
उसके पहले जैसे मैंने मेरी YouTube चैनल बहुत पहले थोड़ी स्टार्ट कर दी थी ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम ओनली व्हेन आई वाज लाइक मेंशनिंग. तो
Right.
तब मैंने कुछ नाम नहीं सोचा था, तब बस द्रशिस टीचिंग्स करके चल रहा था,
Mm-hmm.
तब कुछ भी नहीं था, वैसा था.
Right.
फर्स्ट नेम द्रशिस टीचिंग्स था. उसके बाद में जब उसे मुझे फुल फ्लैश करना था, रजिस्टर करना था सारी चीजें, आई केम फॉर स्वॉटर्स एकेडमी. स्वॉटर्स मीन स्मार्ट हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट.
Nice. What an apt name for the academy, for that matter. And you likely touched upon that, your academy is not just academics or teaching. It's like, like teaching, of course, teaching, but not just academics, but also you talk about yoga and piano and dance classes and all that stuff. So it's more like a one-stop or a hub where you can study academics, and then you can also kind of look into if you have interest towards piano or your music or dancing, that also you can kind of look into it, plus the fitness aspect to it when what is yoga, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, perfect. And so then talking about the hardships or the challenges, right? I mean, from 1 to 170 students, right? I mean, there's a journey, right? One, before even talking about challenges, when you thought
Mhm.
about SWOTers Academy and you thought about having these classes, what's the model that you thought about? Like, how is it different from any other online classes or online tuitions that they are there on the YouTube or on the web?
Okay. So the thing is, our model is mainly working on one-to-one education.
Okay.
ड्यूरिंग कोविड टाइम ये बहुत चीजें ऐसी हो रही थी कि बच्चों को ना ग्रुप में पढ़ाया जाता है. नाउ स्कूल इज हैविंग अ बंच ऑफ 30 to 40 people. This is a normal count. Few of the schools are also having the bunch of 70 students in a class.
Right.
और इसमें काफी बार ये होता है कि बच्चे आर नॉट एबल टू रेज अ क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. इवन आई हैव सीन इन माय स्कूल डेज आल्सो द सेम थिंग यूज्ड टू हैपन. And if they are going in classes, if they are going in any tuition classes also, then what used to happen is कि वहां पे भी सेम क्राउड रहता था, सेम चीजें होती थी. तो जो बैक बेंचर्स हम बुलाते हैं, तो वो बैक बेंचर्स, व्हाई दे आर बैक बेंचर्स, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर अटेंशन जाता ही नहीं है. एंड दे समटाइम्स डेवलप दिस टेंडेंसी आल्सो कि हाँ आप तो छोड़ना, हमें देख भी कौन रहा है, वी विल नॉट आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस. So the things used to develop in such a way. Then I came up with one idea that let's focus on one kid at a time.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So it is having one student at a time. The SWOTers Academy is completely based on one-to-one education only. सिर्फ म्यूजिक में कहीं कहीं पे है और योगा में है, दैट इज अंडरस्टूड कि वहां पे ग्रुप सेशंस होते हैं. बाकी उसके अलावा बच्चों को जब भी टाइम मिल रहा है, whenever they are able to impart some time in extracurricular or in their academics, then during that time they will be having the session either for 3 days or 2 days as per their feasibility, completely as per their feasibility. So उन्हें भी कहीं दिक्कत ना हो. And when it comes to a fresher mind ना, then that will be a great thing. बच्चा अगर fresher mind से पढ़ेगा, खुद की साइड से अगर वो ऐसा बोलेगा कि yes I want to study and I have to study only for an hour or let's say for 2 hours, but he or she will be aware कि हाँ मैं अकेला ही हूँ and I can ask anything that I want to. या मुझे कुछ भी अगर मैम से पूछना है या सर से पूछना है, मैं आराम से पूछ सकती हूँ. तो दैट विल क्रिएट अ गुड एजुकेशन, दैट विल क्रिएट अ ट्रांसपेरेंसी कि बच्चे को जो पूछना है वो आराम से पूछ सकते हैं. बिकॉज वेल ग्रोइंग अप आई हैव सीन दिस, इवन दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर साइकोलॉजी ऑल्सो, कि बच्चा जब ग्रो होता है, व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ टीनेजर, तो बहुत सोचने लगता है, अरे मैं ये बोलूंगा तो वो ठीक रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा, मुझे मैम कुछ बोलेंगे या मेरे दोस्त मेरे पर हंसेंगे, ये सारी चीजें कम अप. So to avoid all this and to eradicate all this thing aside, I thought कि it's better to have one-to-one sessions only. So
Mhm.
this is the main model, and I believe this is the distinguished feature of SWATA's Academy.
Okay. So then talking about, one-to-one teaching and the teacher
Mhm.
and the student,
Mhm.
so of course, how does a teacher or
Mhm.
a prospective student reach out to
Mhm.
you? Is it and then say for example, and I'm just say for example, there's a 10th grade student who comes to you saying
Mhm.
he or she wants to study mathematics. That's
Mhm.
that's the subject that they want to cover.
Mhm.
Now you may or may not have a tutor who can teach 10th grade mathematics, right? So
Mhm.
how do you kind of reach out to the right teacher to teach the student in that sense, and then how the teachers are connected with you in this academy?
Okay. So apart from this academics, I used to manage this management part also. कि जैसे faculties को hire करना है या फिर if I have to look out for the students, then there are few portals कि जैसे Urban Pro है, Utu Tutors है, तो ऐसे काफी portals है from where students are able to, like we are able to find these students in an easy manner, and then in the same manner parents are also putting up their inquiries कि we are looking for this and that particular tutor.
Mhm.
So I used to get the students bunch mainly from that side. Later on, it converted to the social media interaction. Also, we have our website. तो website से भी काफी हमें calls और inquiries generate होने लगी. And talking about the faculties, तो faculties में mainly I was relying on the Naukri recruiter. वहां से I used to get the good calls and good bunch of applicants. तो उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन होता था, उनका इंटरव्यू पैनल जनरेट होता था, उनको फर्स्ट राउंड के लिए जैसे कुछ गूगल फॉर्म असाइन किया जाता है, एंड देन सेकंड थर्ड राउंड उनका होता था, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू से कि हाँ चलो ये पैशनेट टीचर है,
Mhm.
बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर अ पैशनेट टीचर, सिर्फ डिग्री ओरिएंटेड पर्सन नहीं चाहिए था. तो उनको ऐसे साइकोलॉजिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी पुट अप किए जाते थे, दैट हाउ यू विल बी डीलिंग विद अ किड हु इज बीइंग नोटोरियस, और हाउ यू विल बी टर्निंग अ किड, क्योंकि बच्चों को ना ऐसा होता है, बच्चों का ऐसा नहीं होता कि मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, दे आर बीइंग इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द इन्वायरमेंट, ऐसा होता है हमेशा. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हमेशा बोल सकते हैं कि मैथ्स बच्चों को पसंद नहीं है, नहीं, इट्स अ ट्यूटर, इट्स अ एजुकेटर, इट्स अ टीचर who brings the interest, or
Mhm.
who loses, who are like losing the interest.
Right.
Okay. The teaching method, the pedagogy of any educator relies on this thing कि हाँ वो जैसे पढ़ाएंगे वैसे ही बच्चे इंटरेस्ट लेगा.
Sure.
एक टीचर, एक एजुकेटर ऐसा होना चाहिए कि अगर वो नहीं आ रहा है स्कूल में या कहीं पे भी, इफ दे आर मिसिंग द सेशन, तो बच्चे को ऐसा होना चाहिए, अरे यार आज तो पढ़ने का मन नहीं करेगा.
Right. Right. Right.
And this has been the journey even मेरे साथ. When I was small, I don't used to like drawing, मुझे drawing नहीं आता था. But there was one of my ma'am who taught drawing in a such a fun loving way कि आज मैं शायद पेंटिंग भी अगर कर रही हूँ तो उनकी बदौलत ही कर रही हूँ.
Right.
It's I firmly believe it's a teacher who raises the interest. तो अगर कोई बोलता है कि मैथ्स अगर बहुत ही ट्रिकी है,
Mhm.
तो I would like to say मैथ्स ट्रिकी नहीं है. It's a teacher who make it harder. It's a person. हाँ होता है, हर सब्जेक्ट ट्रिकी ही होता है, हर सब्जेक्ट चैलेंजिंग होता है, but it's us who make it easier.
Right. So well
उसे
said.
कैसे डिलीवर किया जाता है, दैट इज ऑन अस.
Right.
तो फैकल्टीज को हायर करने के बाद में उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है कि आपको उसे फन लविंग कैसे बताना है, कैसे हम उसे ज्यादा अच्छे से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. और आज की दुनिया इट्स मोर ऑन एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड स्टडीज. अर्लियर इट यूज टू हैपन कि बस हम टेक्स्ट बुक स्टडीज करके आराम से रख देते थे, बट नाउ आई रियली वांट टू एम्फसाइज ऑन दिस पार्ट कि
Mhm.
प्लीज हैव द एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड स्टडीज. तो
Right.
जैसे अगर एक बच्चा होता है, जैसे ऋषि की अगर मैं बात करूं, तो ऋषि लव्स टू कुक. ही
Mhm.
हैज हिज ओन चैनल आल्सो, सो ही लव्स टू कुक. ओके, ही लव्स टू डू बेकिंग. तो अब उसे जैसे मुझे सरफेस एरिया और ये सारी चीजें जब समझानी थी, तो आई यूज टू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल कि ऋषि आपको बेकिंग पसंद है, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ केक, 3 लेयर्ड केक. व्हाट यू विल प्लेस, आप छोटी केक नीचे रखोगे या बड़ी केक नीचे रखोगे? देन ही वुड आंसर कि डेफिनेटली बड़ी केक. सो दैट शोज कि उसका सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा है, उसका वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कीपिंग इट एट द बॉटम लेवल.
Right.
सो विथ सच ऑल थिंग्स, मतलब वी यूज टू कनेक्ट विद देयर हॉबीज.
Right.
इसलिए हर बच्चे को स्वॉटर्स एकेडमी में एनी ऑफ द फैकल्टी हूसोएवर इज टेकिंग अ डेमो, उनको सबसे पहले यही पूछा जाता है, यही बोला जाता है कि प्लीज आप बच्चे का ना हॉबीज पूछिए। अगर बच्चा बोल रहा है कि मुझे क्रिकेट पसंद है, मुझे फुटबॉल पसंद है, तो बेस्ड ऑन द फुटबॉल, बेस्ड ऑन द बास्केटबॉल, बेस्ड ऑन क्रिकेट, वी कैन कम टू द फिजिक्स पार्ट, जैसे बॉल कितनी स्पीड से फेंका जाता है, क्या वेलोसिटी होती है, कैसे हम पढ़ा सकते हैं। दिस इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड स्टडी एंड विच इज एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट। बच्चा मैथ्स में प्रॉफिट लॉस पढ़ लेता है, बट हाउ इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड हाउ इट इज बीइंग अप्लाइड, दैट वी आर नॉट दैट मच श्योर। सेम goes in other subjects also. So I'm trying to deliver education in this way, and I'm trying to pass on the same thing to my faculties. Isliye I will be always looking for faculties who are passionate towards this, who are
Mhm.
passionate towards fun loving approach.
Right, right, right. Makes
And
sense.
application based studies is something which is much needed in today's world.
No, I agree, totally agree. So then, talking about your fac now, so we've talked about your faculties, now we talked about your students as well. So, in the academy, is it always, it's online classes only, or they're offline? Like, there's the tutor, the home-based tutors as well, like who can go home and teach, or is it only online that, there has to be a student and there has to be a teacher, and then that's the connect that's happening. How does it work?
Yeah, so currently in Waters Academy, we are having three models. The first model is completely online model. So online model is connecting in India, like we are having students in India and across the world also.
Mhm.
Second model is offline model, which is currently operational in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. That is completely one-to-one teaching again. So over there, the faculties are being hired, and they will be going to the students' place. So in that way, they will be providing the better education to the student during their allotted time.
Mm.
And third model, which I have started in Ahmedabad, that is a smaller batch. It's something like a private batches, so that each and everyone gets a proper attention and can have the fun loving education also. So in this batches, like a few toys will be demonstrated, a few things will be demonstrated. The same thing goes in Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune also. Faculties are being provided with the toys, that it's just something, no, I cannot say completely, but something similar to Montessori education.
Right.
In Montessori education also, the educators are providing education based on the toys and the things, or the objects, I can say, basically, so that they can build their better cognitive skills. So in the same manner, it is being provided in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. And over here, I'm just trying to build the same type of thing in
Mhm.
Ahmedabad. But we are having a batch system of 7 people only, 7 students at a time. Yeah.
Ah,
So this is the another model, because apart from this, entire model works on one-to-one education only.
nice to know.
Over here, it's one-to-one attention.
Yeah, no, of course. So, talking about, any path to success is never easy. There are challenges that you face, right? And you did mention lightly about these challenges, but what were your real big challenges that you faced, in this journey so far? Of course, the journey is longer, and and I do believe that, you'll go further heights. But as of today, like, what all challenges you have surfaced so far?
The very first challenge, which I would like to, first time I'll be disclosing it on it. So, the very first challenge which I faced, that was for a longer duration, which was I was not having a greater support or anything from the, I can say, my core family only, because they all were very much concerned in a different manner.
Mm-hmm.
My mom, dad used to, matlab daddy started supporting me later on, when he was able to see कि अच्छा slowly I'm able to get the students from the outer country also. Then he was like कि, okay chalo good, but mama was still concerned.
Yeah.
उस time पे I was not able to understand her, but later on I got to know कि mama was also always concerned कि बेटा society क्या बोलेगी.
Mhm.
So it's like there is one saying कि जो हमेशा गुस्सा, मतलब जो जिसे हमेशा ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है, वो हमेशा सच बोलता है, क्योंकि झूठ को तो मैंने हमेशा मुस्कुराते हुए देखा है.
So well said.
तो तो आई फेल्ट कि हाँ, जो मम्मा उस टाइम पे बोला करती थी, दैट वाज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द सोसाइटल थिंग, जो उन्होंने शायद देखा हो, जो उन्होंने फेस, बिकॉज शी इज ऑल्सो सिविल इंजीनियर
Right, right, right. Yeah.
एंड शी इज ऑल्सो ट्यूटर सिंस 1991. सो शायद उन्होंने भी कुछ ऐसा फेस किया हो विच शी नेवर वांटेड टू फेस फॉर हर डॉटर.
Yeah.
So I later on realized that thing, and I felt for it literally. Then that was very great. दैट वाज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर चैलेंज कि ठीक है चलो मम्मा डैडी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे। मुझे उस टाइम पे ऐसा लग रहा था। बट लेटर ऑन दे वर द हाईएस्ट आई कैन से बूस्टर ऑफ माय academy and my life.
Right.
And apart from this, the major challenge which in house I was facing was कि मुझे फैकल्टीज मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था।
Right.
हर किसी का एक ही सिस्टम होता है कि हाँ चलो वी विल बी वर्किंग ओवर हियर, हमें पढ़ाना और चले जाना है। बट द मॉडल व्हिच आई स्टार्टेड, द मोटो व्हिच आई वाज कैरिंग, तो बहुत कम लोग इस चीज को समझ पा रहे थे एंड आई वाज एबल टू हैव वेरी फ्यूअर फैकल्टीज ऑन बोर्ड। तो उस टाइम पे आई वाज गेटिंग मेनी इंक्वायरीज बट आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डिलीवर इट टू द प्रॉपर फैकल्टीज बिकॉज थी ही नहीं फैकल्टीज, इतनी मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी।
Right.
एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज ऑलरेडी गिविंग 17 to 18 आवर्स टू स्वॉटर्स। तो उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ और मतलब करना है, मेरे खुद के भी क्लासेस रहते थे और साथ साथ में दूसरे फैकल्टीज को हायर करना, उनका भी इंटरव्यू लेना। इट वाज वेरी टीडियस जॉब, सो इवन देयर वाज नो सैटरडे संडेज फॉर मी, नो
Right.
हॉलीडे।
Right.
तो
Yeah.
दिस वाज द मेजर चैलेंज व्हिच आई बिलीव। उसके अलावा बस अभी चल रहा है।
Right. Yeah. No, but I again, I mean, I would say that we wish you all the success, and you reach much more heights for sure. And we talked a lot about your academy, so thank you so much for sharing all the details about the academy and how it functions and everything. And also, I think people listening into this channel, if you are interested in teaching, or if you're interested in studying or any subject, then you know who
Please
to
feel free to
contact.
join Swatters.
Right, yeah, right. And of course, like as I think I told you earlier as well that, I come from a teacher's family myself,
Yes,
right? And then my sister is a faculty, and, a lot of people in my family have been teachers or are still teachers and all. So I hold this very close to my heart as well. And sometime I was also teaching. And I think one thing that I really kind of am passionate about is education, imparting education, making sure that, the right people get the right education as well.
correct.
Like right to speaking, right to everything, right to education is also something very important.
Yes.
And you rightly said, while we are what we are today because of our teachers, but somewhere that becomes a little thankless job as well, because, teachers are
Yes.
not that much thanked, as they should be, because, uh, they are the personality makers, right? I mean, and you rightly said, if you look up to your teachers, right? So if
Correct.
your teacher, what's the impression that you have from your teachers is what you carry. It's a very little small incident, I'll tell you. Where we used to live, there was a small in a neighborhood. There was a very small, kind of a very small school, very small, like,
Hmm.
and it was for up to fifth grade or something. And our house help, who used to live with us only, her son used to go to that particular school, and I used to teach him later in the evening just to see how's his homework going and all. And he came, and then he had written the spelling red as, instead of red, red, he had written rad, red. So I said, well, it's wrong. It should be RED, red. That
Hmm.
kid, who was, I think, 4 years old that time, he did not agree with me, because he said my teacher has written RAD, red. So it is
Ah,
RAD, red. It is not RED, red. You are wrong. She's right, because she's my teacher. So that's the impression that that the teachers leave on the personality of anyone. So
true, true.
thank you so much. You're doing a great job. First of all, I should congratulate you about it. Leaving your full-fledged corporate job, getting into teaching, and starting from start, from the scratch, right? I mean, like, I'm just so inspired with this movie 12th Fail, where he says
Hmm.
restart, right?
Correct.
Hero say restart. So I think that's
I
very,
would like to add something over
yeah,
here. Sorry.
yeah,
Uh, मतलब मुझे हमेशा से ये था कि education should be free. I don't want to
right,
monetize it. It is
yeah,
something which should be relevant to everyone.
right,
So at that time, मतलब, along with this waters and along with the subscription model, there are few kids. Still, there are few kids who are studying for free with our academy.
oh nice, yeah,
So
yeah,
वो मुझे भी थोड़ी शांति लग रही है कि हाँ चलो I am somewhere able to pursue what I was always dreaming for. And
right,
apart from this, there is YouTube channel which is completely free. There is Telegram channel के जिसके ऊपर सारे टेस्ट, सारी वर्कशीट, सारी चीजें, सारी मटेरियल्स मिल रहे हैं of
uh,
Swatters Academy for free.
oh nice, yeah. Well, I'm just so inspired. I think, I'll reach out to you offline because now I'm intrigued and I would like, however I can contribute, even if it is like teaching
Thank you so
history,
much.
I would love to do that, however and whatever I can. You feel like, this is the relevant area that Sugandha probably you can teach or you're relevant enough to teach. I would be, I would love to be part of it.
Thank you
But
so
thank
much.
you so much again, Drashi, for sharing all the details about this Waters Academy and people who are listening in. Do please support Drashi, who's doing a tremendously good job into teaching and into this, in this great field and making people, kids or, making some responsible citizens of the within the country. And as well, thank you so much, Dashi, that, again, I'll just congratulate you and kind of wishing you all the very success in your future as well.
Yes, thank you so much. I would just like to, end this with one of the saying, one of the very popular poem कि असफलता एक चुनौती है स्वीकार कर क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार कर जब तक ना सफल सफल हो तुम नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम
Oh,
कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं
definitely.
लगती
What a beautiful line. Beautiful line to end with end this episode for. Thank you so much, Dashi. Appreciate all the efforts. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me on board. Thank you.